I'm gonna turn the ambers on, little strobes.
I have voice chat.
You want to wreck this car?
Yeah, do it.
Goodbye. You're mine.
You just
Oh,
wait.
I almost gonna get.
Imagine
No
if
one's
there was
gonna
actual
get in my
physics
car.
in here. Imagine if there was actual physics in the game.
Yeah, we were constantly just running the people. Oh no, oh no, oh!
Oh no. Oh!
Why does I just turn stuff around? Let's see. That's a hook.
Bro,
Okay, there's a hook in Helma. But no matter what, there's always gonna be a tornado every single day in Twisted.
Yeah. And this storm is really firing up here.
Sure is, yeah. Oh! Can I try fixing my graphics quality so I can make it better, please? Manual. Oh, I didn't have it. I'm an idiot.
I broke my radar.
How'd you break your radar?
It just broke.
SVR. We're going close to Helma, so it's directly, the hook's directly over Helma. There's probably already a tornado about to form, so.
Alright, we're on EAS 3 million right now. My God.
Bro, I would actually want to move away for how many alerts I would get every single day.
Oh no,
I just a massive hawk routes them.
I see the... I see... Oh, yeah, I see that.
Is that rotation? Where are we at? It's to our right, so we should turn right up here. Or left, I mean.
It's strengthening fast.
I know. Oh no. It is, yeah. And my car is drifting fast.
Yes, I see some rotation forming right here. Oh, yep, there's rotation.
You can see a small thing right there. There's rotation forming directly. You can see the small clouds moving this direction.
Yep.
We have rotation. We have rotation right there to our right. You can see it.
Yeah, I see it.
The small little snub. Let me sky one to that for a tornado. I want tornado type. We want a final. Smithport tornado funnel. We're directly on it, I'm pretty sure.
We
Let me see. Yeah, we are direct. Where are we at? Are we in the? Where are we at?
Well, I
we
think
turn
that's,
left.
Yeah,
directly.
that's the tornado warning now. We're in the Rural. We're in this place called Rural.
Rural County. Well, Rural and Medina County.
It still says Watt Island County.
Double header.
Imagine if there was.
Well, that was just there. Double header right there. Oh, the mud everywhere.
That rain.
Man, it's going. Okay.
Oh, it's
It's
on the
impossible to
ground.
see. It's on the ground.
I didn't even see
It's
that.
behind us. That's what it was.
Goodness, I didn't even see it.
Guys, come here. Let's just
Oh,
follow
it's
in the
moving
grass.
fast.
Not as fast as us. We're gonna catch up to it. Get over here. No, get back. There's a small road up here we can catch up to it with. Well, we're just casually ruining someone's crops right now.
I know, right? Oh, there's another storm forming down there.
There is. Oh, we got trees down.
There's a storm forming towards Hibbing.
Hibbing?
Yeah.
Oh, Oh, almost just got wrecked by a tree.
Goodness. Oh,
Alright, it's lifting.
yep.
Let me look at the radar. There is, and I already see a hook on it. I already see a pretty big hook by upper 3 mile lake. Yep, there's already a pretty big hook forming. Let me go to the different radar. We're gonna go to TIB. Yep, there's already a hook in Mazbidaba. Let's
Well,
just
this storm
screw
just-
this storm.
Bro, this storm instantly disappeared. Well, I mean, it's still on radar, but
It's broken.
oh, SVR, I think. No. Wait.
No, it's probably this storm is actually probably regenerating.
Oh yeah. Another TOR. Alright guys, we're at EAS 2 billion now.
That was quick, only in one day. Yeah.
Yeah, you know.
Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a
Drift.
closet.
Woo.
Use blankets or pillows to cover your body and always stay away from
Bro, what's with this thing drifting
homes
so
or
much?
vehicles. Evacuate them.
It's the new twisted UI. It makes your cars drift a lot more.
It used to not do that.
Yeah, it didn't. This is the new 1.21 update that made it do this.
What a convenience.
Extremely
Geometry
difficult to
Dash
see.
is also on the 1.21 update. Well, almost. Close. I have 15,000 F, whatever that does.
I have 15,000 power in Rise of Kingdoms.
Those Rise of Kingdom ads, though.
I know. Hey, I have 50,000. I have 15,000 power in Rise of Kingdoms. Let me fly this plane.
Well, yeah, that storm's getting crazy.
So what happened to the power flashes?
Uh-oh. I think that's an SVR. Yay, Wilmington finally issued something.
Wait, for what? Wait, is there a storm forming right now?
No.
Holy moly, it's black outside. I cannot see anything. Look at that hook of the other storm below us.
Oh, it's growing.
What's this?
You might want to go towards
Let's
that.
do-
You might want to go towards that storm.
Hey, get into the road.
Yeah, that storm's also forming some rotation.
Yeah. Wait, what's the horn button again? So, okay, R is sick. I found the horn button to R. Oh!
or other low spot and cover
To a tree.
Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado, making it extremely difficult to see.
Here, I have an idea.
See or hear the tornado.
I know a fast and quick way to get to the storm. Fast and quick way right here.
Let me get in.
Hop in.
I think I'm in. Yeah. I'm in the
You're
back.
in, yeah.
I'm in the back seat. Bro, if you go in first person in this thing, it looks so weird.
Hey, it used to be detailed in 1.20, but it's no longer detailed anymore, sadly. So,
Oh, yep, there's rotation in the storm below us now.
you can see it right there.
Yep.
We're gonna get there in no time, because we got a fast car. We're the fastest car in the game.
Definitely not a name of a song or anything, you know. Nothing.
I like the fact how there's no one in right on my live stream. I'm just gonna end it, because it's wasting my Wi-Fi, so... Alright. I need to stream because it's completely just a waste. Oh my.
Oh my goodness. I'm just recording a little bit of.
Oh. If something's broke, your microphone is put crazy mode. Oh, that's a massive wedge. Massive wedge.
Check the radar. Oh, he's strengthening.
What color is he? Green.
Yeah, he's still green, but he's strengthening though.
That's a big wedge.
Bro, how big is Wadena County? Nope, it just lifted.
It's probably gonna it's not lifting. I see it's still big. It's still pretty fat on the ground. It's a big fat boy. How's it lifted? It's fat.
I'm looking at the radar.
Still touching the ground. It's nice and fat.
Bro, why is my graphics at 0?
Oh
There we
my
go.
gosh, look at that house. That house is gone. Oh, those houses. Tree, get out of the way. Well, those houses over there got obliterated by a tornado.
Is that 2 rotations in 1? 3?
I don't think it is. Is it?
No, that's just very
It should?
large rotation.
There's another storm forming. There's another storm forming directly next to it.
I think this is the luckiest. The luckiest.
Well, it's
I think this.
it's. You can go ahead.
I think this is the luckiest thunderstorm risk we've ever had right now.
Yeah, it's a TSM. It's meant for no tornadoes.
Yeah.
I wonder what a 0 risk day looks like. I wonder if it says none on it. We just have a clear day.
I want to see that.
Oh, the Cape's 139.
Oh my goodness.
and the 3 Cape is 81. How are we getting tornadoes?
All right, we're going under the rotation right now. Imagine if a tornado just forms right on top of us.
And we're fine. This thing is strong. Just gonna break my car into pieces. That's all it's gonna do. Well, look at that hook. Sky Army T.
Yeah, this storm is crazy.
Tree, no!
Bro, what is with these cars drifting? This is crazy.
I got like mud tires, so it shouldn't drift, but it is.
I think it's because.
Woo!
Oh god. I think it's because the tires are hollow.
It probably is. I'm about to brake check this guy. You're catching up to me, huh? Yeah, I don't think so. Bye-bye.
Wow. Bruh, when you go in first person and I look at the front seat, you're invisible.
Same for me too. I'm bored. Do I come to play like a backrooms game right now for some reason?